Hello, Tiny Tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and you're learning all the letters with me. So this one is the last letter, I promise. Okay. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. Now in today's letters, we will learn about letter C. How to make capital and small cursive C. So let's get started. Now put your pencil over here. Make a curve, again a curve and go up. This is small z. This is capital cursive Z. A curve, second curve and then go up. Now we will finish these letters with dotted lines. These are small cursive Z. Now without dotted lines. Now this is capital cursive Z. Very nice. Now, without joining the dotted lines, very nice. Now, see what's a picture of this? It's a picture of a zebra. You paste a picture of a zebra here, okay? Because zebra comes with the letter Z. This is zoo, this is zero, and this is zip. All these words starts with letter Z. Now next is help the zaggy zebra to reach the zoo. Now the zaggy zebra wants to go to the zoo and we have to help him. Okay, let's help him. First he'll go here, up, then here, then down, then take a right, come down, take a left, and then we come straight, take a turn, up, and he will reach the zoo like this. Okay, great job, kids. Next is write the missing letters. See, the letters are missing here. We have to fill these letters. Okay. Now, next is cross out the incorrect letter in the sequence and write the correct one. See, there are some incorrect letters written here. We have to cross it and write the correct one. Will you do it? Okay. Start the letters A, B, C, F. No. We will cross it and we'll write the correct one, that is D. Okay. D, E, F, G, H, I. Then J. K is the wrong one. We will cross the K, will write J. K, L, M, N, O. It's written Q here. That's wrong. We'll cross the Q and write O. P, Q, R, S, T. It's wrong. It's H here. We'll write T. Okay. T, U, V, W, X, Y, A. No. A will not come here. What will come? Z. Okay. So, this is your homework that you will fill the missing letters. And we have just done the sequence of correct ones. Okay. Now, see what's the next? Match the pictures with the correct letter. Now we have to match the pictures with the correct letters. First one is apple. Apple starts from letter A. Will match like this. Next is jam. Jam starts from letter J. Next are grapes. Grapes starts from G. This is fish. Fish starts from F. Now this is dog. Dog starts from letter D. Then next is horse. Horse starts from letter H. Next is orange. Orange starts from O. And this is lamb. Lamb starts from letter L. So we have done the matching too. Now what is next? Okay, so we have done all the activities. I hope that you have got all the letters and especially the last letter, that was letter C. Please do keep practicing and I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.